Hello everybody. So what I have here is a bed rail for a bed. You never know what life's going to throw at you and what family member may need a helping hand. You may need a helping hand. It all depends on your situation, from back injuries to whatever. This is a very, very nice little bed rail. Let me bring you in a little bit closer and show you what it's about. We'll see you here in a second. This is the bed rail. I'll go ahead and slide it out of this plastic. Get a better look at it. This is by a company called EWIGOLD. This is the little pouch that goes on the side of it. I'll show you that here in a second. The adjustment allows you to go either way. In other words, you can put it on the left side of the bed, the right side of the bed, and these angles can go in any direction you want. So like say right here, it's up on that direction. Hopefully you can see this. There you go. So it gives you a nice little handrail to get out of bed, and then a handrail on the top to get up out of bed without hurting your back. Or if you have a bad back, then this is perfect for that situation. So you can adjust it by pushing this out and letting it fall down like that, and then it can go the other direction. So it allows you to put it on either side of the bed, and depending on what side you want where. Depending on how you want to be able to get out of wherever you're at in whatever situation you're in. It also has a really nice adjustment on the bottom here. You can push in a little tab and then pull it up as high as you need it. So once you get it in the right position you need it, and you get this where you want it, you just tighten these little tabs down, and that kind of locks it all into position. This little piece here goes on the outside and allows you to have a little pocket to put whatever you decide to put on there. It has a little Velcro piece on the outside here. Allows you to strap it to the side and keep it nice and tight. This is designed to go under your mattress. So the weight of your mattress sits on top of this and holds this whole thing down and makes it nice and sturdy. But if you wanted to, the kit does come with some little screws, or whatever screws you want to use, to screw this to whatever box spring or board or whatever you want to put this on. So if you needed extra security or extra hold down, then you'd use these bolt holes to be able to screw it down to your bed. Putting it away, you just pull the sides out after you loosen it up, lay it down, and now it's ready to be put away. This bed rail system is very easy to install and set up. You can set it up for the right side of the bed, the left side of the bed, and it's very easy to install. Slide it under the mattress. You can either bolt it down or just let the weight of the mattress hold it. It adjusts high or low depending on where you need it. Very simple. Easy to get out of bed. One hand on, two hands on. Roll yourself onto the edge, and then, well, just stand up.